The city of Cape Town, located in South Africa, has issued new water restrictions as the city is on the verge of running out of water. Officials expect the city's water supply will possibly cut off due to drought on April 12th, otherwise known as Day Zero. Cape Town is a major tourist destination and a city of 3.7 million people. Experts link the city's water shortages to factors including climate change and high population growth. First question: imagine a day without water in your life. How will your day look like? Second question: if you are asked to save water, how will you go about doing that? Let's discuss these two questions in the classroom today.